Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss the unit vector in the direction of vector. So in this lecture we need magnitude and the links of previous lecture is given in description. So find the unit vector in the direction of a vector. The formula for unit vector is vector divided by magnitude. So firstly need the magnitude. The unit vector is this one. This is a symbol for unit vector which is equal to vector divided by magnitude. Okay, so vector is given, this one, so we need the magnitude. Formula for magnitude is the square of ith component plus square of jth component. 2 square 4 minus 1 square is 1, which is equal to square root 5. Okay, so this is the magnitude, and according to this formula the vector v is 2I minus j and divided by magnitude, which is square root 5, and the final result is 2 divided by square root 5I minus 1 divided by square root 5 j. This one. So this is called the unit vector. The unit vector of given vector v is equal to 2I minus j. I hope so you understand this one. Is called unit vector. Unit vector in direction of given vector. Okay. Similarly, in this question, firstly write down the formula vector divided by magnitude, and now find the magnitude. Square root of 1 over 2 square plus square root 3 over 2 square. It becomes 1 over 4, and square root 3 over 2 square cancel, and then 3, and square of 2 is 4. And after solving 4 over 4, which is equal to square root 1, and it means the square root 1 is 1. This one. Okay, the magnitude of this vector is this, and then apply the formula this unit vector. Hence the vector is 1 over 2I plus square root 3 over 2j, and divided by magnitude, and magnitude is 1. And then final result remains same. This one. This is unit vector in the direction of this given vector. Okay. Is unit vector. So students, I hope so you understand today's lecture. This is very important lecture related with vector and the direction of a vector. I hope so you understand. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.